Hello and welcome. Welcome to the pet room. TV room. David Bradley here. So yes, I was brave. I did adjust the potentiometer on this pet, and indeed, the screen is now expanded in the up and down section. I can kind of show you a little bit of this. If I put in a little wee program, and run it, and we'll see that indeed, in terms of the top and the bottom of the screen, this is much closer to both the top and the bottom, which would make sense if you adjust the potentiometer. So that went well. I did not get zapped. I did not get hurt. Nobody was hurt. But once again, if you're thinking of doing anything to do with the monitor on any old anything, TV set, anything, I don't know about the new ones, but just in general, there's a lot of voltage. Now, in the new ones, I really don't know. But I do believe I heard Rudy tell a story once when he was doing something when he was thrown across the room. That is something to be avoided. Absolutely, positively. So, maybe we could use this moment to write another program. We'll do a question mark, which is a short form for print. I'll put in OES. Oh, we missed a letter. World. Oh. What am I doing? Of COMMODOR space quote semicolon, so they keep printing beside each other, and then a colon, so it takes as another command, and then we run, and it is fast. Look at that flag. I can hold down the off reverse key, and it will slow it down. And there it is, another successful little operation. Which I suppose, look, I don't like monitors, I don't like touching them, I don't like tinkering with them. I would think that just looking at the way this is, that probably the other potentiometer could use some adjustment, but I don't know how to do it. So I'm not going to. I am pleased that I've stretched this to pretty much the top and the bottom of the screen and not beyond. There is still quite a bit of space at the sides. Oh well. These things happen. They do. Anyway, so there. A quick thing that I would not recommend that anybody do, but if you're brave, be brave. But I'm telling you, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. And really, does it make a difference if the screen is really stretched out? No, not really. Anyway, thank you very much for coming. Do have a lovely, lovely day. We'll continue. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next here in the TV room. Maybe, I could, and I should, and I will, perhaps, start looking at this 4040 dual drive and see what I can find in the bottom of drive 0 that makes all the right noises, but the drive is not spinning. So, is the belt there? Is the drive seized? Inquiring minds want to know. And soon, perhaps we will know. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.